have a 2008 Bentley Continental. We're showing how to open and close manually the convertible top. First things first, we gotta use the tool here. As you can see, this is in the lock position and this is in the open position. We need to insert it in the position on the back seat. So we go ahead and get in here. Pass me the cover. I always like putting a cover on the back seat to protect it. And we're going to remove this lid cover here. If you can't find this key, usually this is where the key is stored. So first things first, we put it on the open position and we find the insertion hole to release this rear lid. Once it's locked with the key unlocked, then we twist it and we go ahead and release. Now, this is preferred to use two people to open this lid. Just go ahead and open it. Now you can go ahead and release. Leave the key on, apologies, leave the key in there. And with two persons, hold it to that position. Open the rear part and slowly and carefully we close it down. Once it's in that position, we go back here and we relock it in its place. Now it's locked in its place. Now we come here. Usually there is a plug right here to hold it in place. Let's make sure we put the key in its place. Lock it, we bring it down and we lock it in place, and that's how you close it. And to open it is the reverse operation we just did.